know, I had taken everything out the building, taking everything out my kitchen. I had cleaned my closet out and things of that nature. See, God was preparing me. And he was telling me along the way, you know what I'm saying? Told me to leave it behind, told me to leave that stuff alone and things of that nature. And I always had to dig my hands in it. Why? Because it was just so close to me, you know what I'm saying? And so you have to remove yourself out of those situations. So my last attachment that I felt that I was attached to. And sometimes that's how God moved, you know? He separates the tear from the wheat. September, I moved in the new house, and this is the new house. So they already have basically a background. They have a ring light up here. Everything, it seemed like everything I complained about in the old house, it was provided for me over here. There were some people I was trying to drag with me, you know what I'm saying, who really just didn't want to go. And my story reminded me of the story of Joseph. A lot of times, it's not from outside forces, it's the inside forces that makes you really say, So, with that being said, I just want to say whatever comes your way that tries to break you, that tries to taint your character, that tries to break your spirit, and that tries to dim your inspiration, just know that it won't stop and it won't erase truth. And it cannot define who you are becoming. And I also want you to know, this is what I'm going to leave with you. I want you to know that your integrity matters. Your purpose matters. And you matters to God. So much so. All we have to do is have a humble heart to listen. God, in His Word, even says that I will plan a way for you to escape. And what is meant for evil, He will turn it around for good. Either way it went, I was going to be okay. So, what's ahead of you is greater than what is behind you. And what tried to break you from becoming. I think the last video I shared with you guys, I was like, I don't know how to come back. I don't know how to come back without my truth. I don't know how to come back. People say you sharing all your business. No, I'm sharing what I've overcome. That's what I'm sharing. I can't freely share with you if I don't share with you what I have experienced.